So for part two, I just wanted to clarify and add that it depends on which one we're talking about. Each one has different research, but for borderline personality and perhaps even histrionic personalities, you're going to find a lot of trauma, interpersonal violent trauma in their background, perhaps sexual, perhaps emotional, physical abuse, or some other kind of interpersonal violence. And narcissistic personality disorder is a bit different. So that is the one that I was kind of emphasizing before. But even still, just like when we're talking about sexual trauma survivors and sexual trauma offenders, you need to empathize with maybe their experience in order to understand and hopefully rehabilitate them. But that doesn't mean that you excuse the crimes that they committed or the misdeeds that they've done because of what happened to them when they were little. Because as we mature and become adults, we have to take responsibility for that. We have the free will and the critical thinking to know that we cannot commit crimes or harm other people. And so if we don't develop that consciousness, then that's a failing of the system, right? That other people are going to need to step in. If you're a danger to self or others, the authorities have to step in or should be stepping in to protect public safety and also to protect yourself from doing these bad things, right? Because that's not good for you either, because you'll end up dead or in jail as well, or should, not dead, but in jail. Now, that's what I want to emphasize, is that regardless of having compassion, sympathy, empathy, understanding for how this developed in a person, if they're an adult, we cannot let that excuse or rationalize their behavior or get them off the hook, even with extenuating circumstances, for being responsible and accountable to the outcome of their actions.